weed, ketamine.
We just caught that dude. Yeah. No. I was filming when that happened. So.
See what I'm saying? That's what you're supposed to do.
So that's what happens on the beach. In the nights.
Police.
You know, what do you say? Weed, ketamine, LSD. That's not our thing, but they got. I'm sure we'll see some.
If I wanted that, that's not how I would buy it. That's not what you do.
Tonight will be interesting.
Ketamine. You know what ketamine is?
Yes. It's actually supposed to be, ketamine is actually supposed to be like really good for like mental health purposes. I almost underwent ketamine treatment about 2 years ago to try to overcome some of the bullshit that's in my brain. So I'm not judgmental, but I think it should be done with medical support. I love you. Thank you for coming with me. I'm actually really happy. I know he thinks I'm anxious and a bitch and whatever and not enjoying it, but I am.
You happy after that fucking beer?
But that's, beer is, alcohol's truth serum, right? I could be like, this fucking
Or
sucks.
relax
Let's
serum.
go home to mom.
This is like relax.
We could be at home or at the Airbnb in a nice comfy pool, but we're choosing to be here on this dusty ass beach with all these weirdos. My weirdos. I love these weirdos.
How many
they have
people
great
you think
hearts. I don't know.
1,000?
Should we go walk through the crowd and go to the other side? Go walk through? Let's go. Yeah. No, they're trying to set someone up. He looked like Popo. Alright, that's your guy. We're not gonna post him. I don't even know who it was. Definitely. What would happen if you put your nothing? Nothing. Maybe with anyone performing wants to be seen. Let's be real. If you're performing right now, you want to be seen.
Exactly.
Yes. Hey, mommy. Oh, but no sexual harassment, remember?
What?
No, I didn't say equal rights. Here, you want to control the camera? Get some shots? Yeah, get some shots. I'm having one of those effervescent where I'm feeling the energy and it's fucking over.
See? That means she's crying.
I can't handle it. Oh, there you go. That's the shot.
Yeah, that's the shot.